What's up everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome to my unboxing and first impressions video of the new Secretlab Titan chair. So I just got this today, I'm really excited. I ordered it last week Monday and it just took a week to get here. So a bit of a backstory of why I got a new chair. I had this one is just a regular old office chair from IKEA. But lately I've been having neck pain and sometimes back pain, and I want something more top of the line chair to sit as a developer in front of the computer for long periods of time. So I definitely wanted to get something really nice, and I'm excited to open it, and let's just jump right in and start the unboxing video. So what we have here is some instructions on how to put it together, basically the assembly guide. Then we have some kind of packet, probably some papers, warranty or something like that. Get to that later. Then this is the back panel of the chair itself. What else do we have? Packaging. We have a bunch of wrappers to keep the chair safe. I think this is the pillow, the headrest. Some more of the packaging. We have the frame for the wheels for the bottom. This is where you have the armrest, and I believe, yeah, these are magnetics, so they just latch on with magnets to the rest of the arm. I wonder what's in this box. Let's check it out. So these are all the components. I'm guessing, yeah, the wheels, the frame, the screws, all that stuff is in this box. And then this is the bottom of the chair. So let me show you guys some of the features of this chair. This lever you could pull up, and you could let the backrest down. You could put it down all the way like this. So that's what that one does. If we look on this side, this one is basically the tilt lock. So if I unlock it, that means I could tilt the chair back. Otherwise, I could lock it in place wherever I want to. And then the lever on this side adjusts the height. Right now, I think it's all the way up. This is how it is when it's down, and then you could pull it all the way up like that. So the knob on the side right here, this one adjusts the lumbar support, this one adjusts the curvature of it. So you could sit down and reach it. It's not the most comfortable, but you know, it's doable. And this one, when you twist the knob, this one you feel the lumbar support curvature, so it kind of curves into you, or let's say, you know, be more flat. And the one on the other side right here, this one adjusts the height. So this one you could put it down, you know, lower or higher, depending on where you want it. If it's, you know, more towards the lower back or the upper back. So you could also, you know, adjust that while you're sitting. So it's not that hard to reach. So we could look at the headrest as well, which is magnetic. There's like a magnetic plate right here inside the pillow, but you can't feel that when you're actually sitting in it. And you could probably adjust it, you know, all the way up to here. It will even hold. And then probably down to here. So around where the T is and all the way up to the top. And holds it pretty good in place. So that's really nice that you don't need a strap or anything. It's fully magnetic. And it's also memory foam, so it will start to have the same shape as your head once you start using it. Okay, so this is a close-up of the armrest. What you could do here is you could press this button and then rotate the armrest this way, and you could also push it back and forth. Now if you press this button right here, what you do is you could rotate it to, or not rotate, but go left and right. And then there's one more on the armrest, which is this, which lets you move it up and down. And this chair is one of the Softweave fabric material ones, and this one is the Frost Blue color. So I actually had quite a hard time deciding which color I should get. I didn't want a plain black one, nor did I want something that's you know, totally white. And some of the pink and the green were a bit too colorful, so I ended up going with this one. So far I really like the color, so I'm glad I got this one. And overall it's a really comfortable chair. Like for example the headrest, that's really amazing. I really love that it's magnetic and it's just super soft. Everything else is, you know, nice and firm, and it's not too soft, but that's not good either if it's way too soft. So it has a really nice quality build to it. I would recommend getting a chair like this, especially if you sit long periods of time like I do as a software developer. So it's definitely gonna come in handy. You know, I hope my neck pain is gonna go away. With the previous chair I had some of that as well. So I really hope this will help with that. So far I really like this chair. You know, I just had it for like an hour or two after the unboxing. And if you guys are interested, I could make another video down the line to see, you know, how it's been using it for a couple weeks. But other than that, you know, it's a really awesome chair. If you guys are looking for something that's, you know, really nice quality and you sit for long periods of time, I could definitely recommend this one. Thank you for watching this video. Also, if you guys are interested in coding content, make sure you check out my other videos. I'm a software developer and I put out content about programming and coding. But if not, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.